Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Tucker. I hope everyone is doing well, that you have been having a great school week. Today is Friday. Aren't you excited? I'm excited. It's Friday and it's a long weekend. Don't have school on Monday. So just make sure that you understand it's an actual holiday. We don't have school, so you should not have an assignment on Monday. But remember, if you do have some late work, this would probably be a good time to catch up on everything. All right, guys, so your assignment, as usual, when you go in your class, you're going to click on classwork. You will scroll down to week 2 assignments. Tomorrow will be the 4th. Remember, this is not posted yet. I post these in the morning. You're going to be working on something called a thing link and taking notes. So when you open your assignment, you're going to see that it takes you, you're going to click here, and this is your thing link. It looks almost just like a slide, a one-picture slide, but notice when I move my mouse, you see there's little black dots now. When I move it away, they're not there. I move back. So when you look at your thing link, you need to make sure you hover over it, and if you notice, every dot is something. So this very first dot, well, first of all, I want to make sure we're going to be going from left to right across your screen. So if you start here, it says you will need to take notes on each video on this slide. You come down here to the Avid Man's Head. There's a video. Come here, another video, and then I have to move the screen over a little bit, and you have videos. Now you will notice when you hover, it has a title. So what is Avid? You have a title. Your Avid Binder has a title, Planner Tips. That's very important for the next part of your assignment. So you are going to go ahead and take notes on each of these videos. So when you hover over, you're going to click on the box. You will notice it will pop up and you'll play the video, okay? Then you'll go to the next one. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to go to your Google account. Let me slide over. Go to the, what they call it, the waffle. Go to Google Docs, and you're going to create a new document for me. Now, before you start, I would like you to title your document your first name, your last name, and your class period. Okay? First name, last name, and class period. In the Google Doc, you can come over here and you can title it Thing Link Notes. All right. Now, when you go in through your notes, what I would like you to do, you can take notes however you want to. Okay, you can take notes however you want to. But when you notice the thing link, so let's go back here. The first one is, what kind of person are you? So you are going to type, what kind of person are you? Okay, and then you're going to type your notes here. All right, I would probably do something like number this, number 1, so I know that's the first video. The second video is titled, What is Avid? So after you take your notes, I'm going to put 2, what is Avid? Now, you're not answering these questions. You're not answering. You are taking notes on what the video says. Now, some of the videos, it's not going to be a line for line. You're going to have pages and pages of notes. It might be 1 or 2 things that the video spoke to you and said to you. What is important from the video that you actually need to write down? After you take your notes, you don't need to do anything else with it but submit it to me in your assignment. So when you go into back to your assignment, there is a way for you to actually attach your Google Doc, and then we will be using this excuse me, you'll be using these notes a little bit later when we go more into note taking in Avid. Okay, I hope that helps you. Have a great day.